Let's have a look at the main building blocks in a management consulting presentation. First, on the top of each slide is the title or headline. We've noticed numerous presentation titles in other industries are just short general phrases such as financial analysis and mid-year review. However, the headline from an elite firm is usually a sentence. This sentence captures the key takeaway and also guides the reader to take action. From a design perspective, the font size and position of the headline should be consistent throughout the presentation. In my firm, 24-point Calibri is preferred because it's widely available to readers, familiar to them, and it's easy on the eye. Even Microsoft has changed their system default font from old standard Times New Roman to Calibri to modernise the look and feel of the documents created by Office applications in 2013. Moreover, font psychology research has revealed that readers associate Calibri with stability, and clients love a bit of stability in a presentation. Meanwhile, the title needs to be in sentence case to avoid readability issues. Now, right below the headline, you can find a body to support the headline. The primary types of body are words, tables, and graphs, and I'll be explaining how to use each of them in later chapters. If you've got a chance to check McKinsey style presentations or even articles, you'd be surprised to see that management consultants use graphics a lot. That reinforces key messages by adding pictures, diagrams and charts, because a picture, as we know, means 1,000 words. Sometimes I've seen many junior consultants insert irrelevant graphics just for aesthetic purposes. In my view, that's not really my preference. When you intend to do that, bear in mind the body should always support your main idea. If you need to present complex drawings, like architectural diagrams, my recommendation is to start with a high-level overview and look at each layer afterwards. When you have data analysis, be sure you've included the info source, not just for copyright, but also it can give your analysis a bit of credit when you're referring to a reliable and trusty data source. From time to time, a management consultant would make good use of a kicker at the bottom of the slide to conclude key takeaways or make a smooth transition to the next slide. You can find kickers in almost every page of a McKinsey-style presentation. However, that doesn't mean it's mandatory.